Animals have had to find every possible way to adapt to their environments. To survive, they have changed their food chains, increased their resilience to harsh climates, shifted habitats, and, most notably, concealed themselves from danger. Camouflage, or the ability to alter one's outward appearance to match the surrounding environment, is one such survival strategy. Let's explore some of the Earth's top magicians when it comes to the art of concealment. Number 10. Octopus. On the rocky shores of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, there is a type of octopus that has been likened to a walking leaf. It gets its common name from the way it moves, scuttling sideways with its suckers raised off the seabed, like a floating leaf caught in a stream. It can also change color to match its surroundings, making it all the more convincing. The mimic octopus is about 12 inches long, although some may grow up to 20 inches. Its arms are shorter than those of other species of octopus. This one has 4 webbed arms and 2 longer arms that are free. These 2 extra arms help it crawl along the seafloor at an impressive speed for an octopus. Its eyes are large and bulbous and protrude from its head like floating eyeballs. They have excellent vision both above and below the waterline, which helps it hunt. It eats small crustaceans, fish, and worms. They live among coral heads or rocks, burying themselves in the sand to camouflage. Even their webbed feet are covered in tiny flaps that look like floating debris. Number 9. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko is a medium-sized nocturnal reptile found only in Madagascar. Its tail is lined with scales that form 2 parallel rows on either side, giving it the appearance of a dry leaf or a blade of grass floating in the wind. Its body is gray or brown with darker blotches down the center of its back. Each of its toes has a suction cup that allows it to climb smooth surfaces such as glass without falling. These geckos are also known as the devil's coconuts because they sometimes fall out of trees during the day when they're most vulnerable to daytime predators. Their tail acts as a decoy, distracting predators while they escape. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko is related to the praying mantis. Like the mantis, it waits patiently for its food to get close before snatching it with its sticky tongue. Its diet consists of beetles, moths, roaches, and crickets. Leaf-tailed geckos are known for being rather slow and deliberate in their movements, but they can make quick strikes when they feel threatened or are trying to catch prey. They typically sleep during the day, conserving their energy for hunting at night. 8. Deadleaf butterfly. The deadleaf butterfly is a type of nymphalid butterfly found in the forests of South America. The males and females of the species have different coloration. The males are black with green and purple markings, while the females are brown with yellow and orange markings. This coloration gives them their common name. They look just like dead leaves floating about on the forest floor. When they fly, they flutter slowly from branch to branch as if carried by the wind. Their wingspan ranges between 3 and 5 inches. They are known for their unusual wing shape, which is narrow at the base and wide at the tip. The shape of their wings helps them stay hidden among the leaves of the trees. Because of this, they are rarely seen by predators, protecting them from being eaten. These butterflies feed on tree sap and rotting fruit. Some people believe that the deadleaf butterfly is a symbol of transformation. This is because it goes through several stages of metamorphosis as it grows, from egg to larva to pupa and finally to adult butterfly. Each stage looks completely different from the others, symbolizing change and adaptation. 7. Stonefish. Stonefish are a group of 400 species of fish belonging to the family Cynonsaeidae. They are found in the coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Red Sea, East Africa, Japan, and Australia. Perhaps the most famous stonefish is the Red Sea stonefish, which is considered the world's most venomous fish. Stonefish are usually grayish or reddish in color, which helps them blend in with rocks, shells, and coral. They are also very good at holding still, which helps them stay camouflaged. Stonefish have pectoral fins that are modified into fleshy flaps that wrap around their bodies like a blanket. These flaps help them hold onto rocks and seaweed so they don't get washed away by the current. They're also used for defense, helping them to defend themselves against predators. Stonefish have mouths filled with sharp teeth that they use to eat small fish and crustaceans. They wait until their prey gets close before darting out their mouth to eat them. Stonefish are often mistaken for rocks or pieces of coral, making them easy prey for unsuspecting fish. Once a fish gets too close, the stonefish darts out its powerful spines and paralyzes them with venom. This allows the stonefish to swallow the fish whole. Number 6. Moth. Moths are known for their ability to camouflage. Many species of moth have evolved to blend in with their surroundings, which helps protect them from predators. For example, the peppered moth has light and dark forms that blend in with either light or dark bark on trees. When the Industrial Revolution began in England in the 18th century, pollution killed off many of the light-colored trees. As a result, the dark form of the peppered moth became much more common. Another example is the oak egger moth, which has a wingspan of up to 6 inches. This moth is named for the egg-like shape of its wings. It is usually a pale gray color, but it can also be brown or black. The oak egger moth lives in oak trees, where its larvae feed on the leaves. The larvae are very camouflaged, looking like little pieces of poop hanging from the leaves. One of the most beautiful examples of camouflage in moths is the atlas moth. The atlas moth is one of the largest moths in the world, with a wingspan of up to 12 inches. It is named after Atlas, the Titan who was condemned to hold up the sky for the eternity in Greek mythology. The atlas moth is found in the forests of Southeast Asia, where it lives among the leaves of fig trees. The larvae of the atlas moth are green and have red and blue stripes. They feed on the leaves of fig trees, growing up to 10 inches long. Once they are fully grown, they pupate in a cocoon made of silk. After a few weeks, the adult moth emerges from the cocoon. The atlas moth is very short-lived, only living for about 2 weeks. During this time, it mates and lays its eggs before dying. Number 5. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is a fish found in the coastal waters of Australia. It belongs to the family of fish called pipefish, which are known for their long, thin bodies and snouts. Leafy sea dragons are about 6 inches long, and their bodies are covered in long, thin leaves. These leaves are actually modified scales that help them hide among the seaweed and kelp forests where they live. The leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise and can change colors to match its surroundings. This helps them hide from predators such as seals and sharks. Leafy sea dragons are very slow-moving creatures and spend most of their time floating along with the current. They feed on plankton and other small fish. They use their snouts like straws to suck up their prey. Leafy sea dragons are rare creatures, and not much is known about them. They are only found in a few places along the Australian coast and are rarely seen by humans. Number 4. Tawny frogmouth. The tawny frogmouth is a small bird found in the forests of Australia. Its name comes from the sound it makes, which resembles a frog croaking. This bird is about 9 inches long and has a wingspan of about 20 inches. The tawny frogmouth is mostly nocturnal, sleeping during the day and hunting at night. It has excellent camouflage, with its brown and white feathers helping it blend in with the trees. The tawny frogmouth has a distinctive facial disc that helps it to direct sound towards its ears. This disc is made of feathers and skin and is larger than the facial discs of most other nightjars. The bird uses its disc to amplify the sound of its prey, making it easier to locate. The tawny frogmouth is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. It is known for its strange behavior, such as mimicking the calls of other birds and making frog-like croaks. Number 3. Pygmy seahorse. The pygmy seahorse is a small fish that is found in the coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean. It is the smallest member of the seahorse family, growing to a maximum length of only about 1.5 inches. Pygmy seahorses are very difficult to see with the naked eye as they are so tiny. They are usually found in groups, hiding among the coral and seaweed. Pygmy seahorses are very slow-moving creatures and spend most of their time clinging to seaweed and coral with their tails. They feed on plankton and other small fish. They use their snouts like straws to suck up their prey. Pygmy seahorses are very strange creatures, and not much is known about them. They are very elusive and difficult to study because of their size and slow movement. Number 2. Merle sea bream. The Merle sea bream is a type of fish found in the coastal waters of southern Australia. It is a member of the bream family, which are known for their large scales and mouths. The Merle sea bream is about 12 inches long and has a distinctive blue and green coloration. This coloration helps it blend in with the seaweed and kelp forests where it lives. The Merle sea bream has a very unusual shape, with its body being compressed from side to side. This shape allows it to navigate through the dense kelp forests with ease. The Merle sea bream is a very strange creature, and not much is known about it. It is very elusive and difficult to study because of its unusual shape and habitat. Number 1. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths. They are known for their ability to camouflage, which helps protect them from predators such as birds and frogs. Caterpillars come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some caterpillars are brightly colored, while others are more muted. Some are hairy, while others are smooth. This diversity in appearance allows caterpillars to blend in with their surroundings. For example, the woolly bear caterpillar is a North American species of caterpillar that is covered in long, soft hairs. This hair helps it blend in with the woolly plants that it lives on. The larvae of the swallowtail butterfly, on the other hand, are smooth and slimy. They are usually green or brown, which helps them blend in with the leaves of the plants they eat. One of the most famous examples of camouflage in caterpillars is the stick insect caterpillar. As its name suggests, this caterpillar looks like a twig or leaf. It is very effective at hiding from predators, which helps it survive to adulthood. Thanks for watching. What other animals have incredible camouflage abilities? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Bye.